friend.
Oh, I see.
Can you explain something about the, can you capture you? Video capturing?
Can you? Well, this is my first week, so. But did you want me to talk about something or?
Yeah, talk about it. Could you introduce the IKEA, the how to do that? About the exhibition or the showroom. No,
I'm not really sure. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
What do I do here? Well, I'm just passing out bags and greeting the customers as they come in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that?
Well, these are shopping bags. You can borrow these, and when you're done with them, there are carts like these by the cash registers. You just drop them in.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's
you can buy
upstairs the furniture. It's IKEA upstairs the furniture.
Yeah.
Why do we need that? So it's more back here.
Well, we sell furniture, but we also sell items too.
Can you pack in the furniture in small bag?
No, we can't pack the furniture in this bag. But we have big carts for the furniture. If you go to this room here, there's cookware.
We
have dishes. We have home decoration.
All right.
Yeah, we all.
There's some more items there.
Yeah, it's
so IKEA not only sells the furniture as well as the small items.
Yeah, we don't only sell furniture. We sell everything here. We even have we have a restaurant upstairs.
Everything in home.
Yes.
There's a small items in store.
Yes.
That's this bag for that.
Yes.
I see. I understand. Okay. Can I borrow?
Of course. Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Starting from this elevator, that's good. Getting to
you go upstairs and there's more items upstairs.
All right.
We have kitchen items, bathroom items.
Okay. There is what kind of items here? So would you introduce what kind of items here?
Okay, so on the first floor or the second?
I don't know where we are.
So
we are in the second floor.
Yeah, we're on the first floor right now.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the second floor.
Yeah, but this the escalator goes up. The escalator goes upstairs.
Okay.
You'll find living room items like sofas, armchairs, sectionals, couches, and ottomans.
There is a furniture.
Yes, so that's furniture up there. Then you'll find sofa beds. And then there's also room storage up there. So living room storage, you can find shelving units, bookcases, TV solutions, media, furniture, and cabinets.
I see.
And then there's a kitchen area too. You'll find kitchen appliances, accessories, cabinets, handles, faucets, sinks, and kitchen storage. And in the bathroom, there's bathroom furniture, medicine cabinets, bathroom mirrors. And there's a dining area. The dining area has dining chairs, dining room storage, dining room tables, stools, folding chairs, and sideboards.
For my wife.
Yes, definitely. And then there's workspaces too, which IKEA also has. They also partner with businesses and desks, yes. So your workspace, there's desk chairs, office furniture, gaming furniture too. So if you have any kids, they like to play games. Then there's the bedroom.
Bedroom.
There's beds, bedside tables, loft beds, mattresses, chests of drawers, wardrobes, hallway furniture, and then there's the children's section.
For my kids.
Yes, for your kids. There's baby beds, baby textiles, play toys. Children chairs and junior beds.
All right. So all kinds of most of furniture for in home.
We have nearly everything.
What are in the first floor?
So the first floor we have cookware where there's food storage or
there's small items.
Kitchen. Yes, and then there's tableware.
Eventually, I need this bag for that in the first floor.
Yes.
I see.
Yes. Then. If you want to redo your bathroom, there's not bathroom. If you want bed textiles, there's bed covers, bed linen, comforters, sheets, pillows, mattresses. So we have. So if you need new sheets, new pillowcases, that's there for you.
Even covers, pillows.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
The bathroom, there's bathroom mats. We have bathroom accessories and towels. You know what I'm saying? So, textiles. You have decorative pillows, cushions, curtains, and certain accessories and blinds. And then we have rugs as well.
Mattress store.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see.
So rugs. So there's rugs and doormats. So if you want to buy a doormat for your front door to your home. And home organization, that's where you find boxes, clothes organizations like closet.
Closet Home Depot.
Yes. Yeah. It's like Home Depot and Walmart all in one.
Yeah.
Then there's lighting. You want to get certain lights. You want to get light bulbs, lighting accessories, lamps, LED lights, or anything like that.
Yeah.
Then we have wall decoration and mirrors. And posters, frames, and clocks as well. Home decoration, we have candle holders and candles, decorative accessories, vases, and bowls, plants, and flowers.
I see. That's why we need this yellow bag.
Yes.
So I only thought about furniture. He broke my mind.
Lowe's, all in one store.
Like a Home Depot and a Walmart.
Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Better.
Let's figure it out. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good introduction. Yes, you inspired me.
That's great.
Yeah,
I'm so
thank
glad
you.
I was able to help you today.
Thank you so much.